Bagworms, often called evergreen bagworms or case moths, are tree-infesting pests that create silk cases as they feed and develop. The caterpillars feed on leaves as soon as they hatch, causing mass defoliation that can potentially kill the trees they are infesting. In this video, we'll go over how to identify bagworms, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Bagworms are most recognizable by the cases or bags they create that hang from the branches of trees. These bags are made with silk and brown foliage, and each case was built by one bagworm. For a mature bagworm, the bags can grow up to 50 millimeters in length. Bagworms feed and develop their silk bags as soon as they hatch. You may see the younger caterpillars crawling with small cases on their tail ends. These smaller caterpillars may be as small as your fingernail. When the caterpillars reach maturity, they'll hang stationary along tree branches and pupate into adults. Male adult bagworms will emerge from their cases, while the females remain in their cases for the remainder of their lives. Male adult bagworms are black with a moth-like appearance and transparent wings. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Bagworms infest a variety of trees and smaller shrubs, but are commonly found on juniper, pine, cypress, and spruce trees. Look out for the presence of bagworm cases hanging from tree branches. Cases can also be found on fallen twigs or even structures like fences. Also look for areas where foliage is missing, browned, or thinned out. Bagworms feed on leaves and needles, causing defoliation. 500 to 1,000 bagworms hatch from a single female's case starting around mid-June. They feed until the end of summer, then seal their bags to pupate. After about 7 to 10 days, male adult bagworms will emerge from the bottoms of their cases, leaving behind their pupal skins. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To treat bagworms on your property, use an insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that's labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. To cover large treatment areas and higher tree canopies, we recommend you apply this product with the solution's hose end sprayer. Apply the product's labeled rate of 0.125 to 0.25 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Aim for complete coverage of the plant's foliage. Do not apply the solution to any plants grown for consumption. Wait until treated plants are completely dry before any irrigation can occur and before allowing people or pets to come in the area. Bagworms need to come in direct contact with treated areas for the product to have any effect. The cases are difficult for pesticides to penetrate, so bagworms that are pupating may not be affected. Expect feeding to continue for a short while before you see a reduction in activity. The best time to apply is in the late spring before the caterpillars hatch and become mobile. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated bagworms from your property, maintain the health of your trees and shrubs with proper watering and regular pruning. Healthy plants are more resilient to damage and can recover more easily from defoliation. Dispose of pruned branches away from your property as they may still contain eggs or caterpillars. Keep up with regular applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection against bagworms and over 70 other pests. If bagworm cases reappear anywhere on your property, manually remove them as soon as possible before the eggs can hatch. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop pests from infesting your trees and shrubs, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.